Hello from another busy week at MCDS. This past Wednesday marked the end of the first quarter. That means for our teachers that they've been working very hard putting together meaningful comments that they'll be sharing with your parents. I know for you, there have been many assessments that you've been finishing up and you've been working very hard. I wanted to share with you that I know what it's like to be a student. As an educator, I think it's important that we never forget how difficult it is to be a student. So every year I sign up for a course. This year I'm taking an online course at Harvard University on school leadership, and I must share with you that I have a big test coming up this week and all of my assignments have to be in. So I'm gonna go and get the rest of my assignments done and get them submitted and get ready for the final test. And I hope you'll take a moment and thank your teachers for how hard they've been working this quarter.
You grow up.
I grew up mostly in Dallas, Texas, but my dad got transferred, so then I lived most of my life in Portland, Oregon. But one of my favorite places that I've lived is Sun Valley, Idaho.
What inspired you, your teacher?
I was inspired to be a teacher when I was a young child, and I had so many fantastic teachers that really appreciated what I could add to my class. I was not a great student, and I was really, really active, but they still made me feel part of their classrooms.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was definitely PE, physical education.
You have a pet?
James, I do not have any pets. I just have 2 children. That's enough.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is homemade trail mix that has M&Ms and cashews and craisins and all sorts of things that are sweet and salty.
Your favorite part of school year?
My favorite part of the school year is seeing our pre-K friends every single day and watching them learn and grow. I love those aha moments when suddenly they learn something and they're so surprised.
What do you like to do for fun?
For fun, I like to spend time in the great outdoors. I like to play with my family, my kids, my husband. We like to go camping and we love to bake together.
Oh, your hat.
Hula hooping. Here are a few more hula hooping tricks. MCDS, my final hula hoop trick is called the skip bow.
What's your advice for the school year?
So my advice for the school year is to try your best and really have fun. Just enjoy every day.
Hi, Mr. Sear.
Hello.
So what inspired you to become a teacher?
So I grew up from a family of teachers. My dad is a teacher. He's been teaching for 30 plus years now, still teaching. My mom's a teacher. My sister's a teacher. I have a brother-in-law who's a teacher. I have a bunch of cousins who are teachers. And so when I graduated college, there was an opportunity that came up, and so I took it, and here I am.
Nice. So where are you from?
I was born in New Haven, Connecticut, and I grew up in that area as well. New Haven's famous for like pizza. That's the main thing, and like Yale University.
Nice. What do you love about being a math teacher?
The students, obviously.
Oh, thank you.
But I think the main thing I like is I like working with a student on like a hard question, and then having them struggle through it, and then that moment that they realize how to do it, it's cool to see as a teacher. And that's one thing in particular I enjoy in the classroom.
Tell us about an object you keep on your desk or in a classroom that has a special significance to you.
A couple years ago, I had during one of my graduations that I've gone to, one of my students' graduations, I had a few students who gave me a little fake tree. I don't know if you've seen it. They gave it to me at the start of their graduation, and I had to carry it with me during the whole ceremony. So I like had it with me in the during the graduation ceremony, and so I still have it on my desk. It's broken now, but I still have it.
Oh, that's really nice.
Mhm.
What is something that we would find surprising about you?
I ran track in high school, pretty competitively. I was on a relay that won the national championship, actually.
Wow,
Uh,
that's really cool.
and so we got uh, like All-American status and everything, and we still have records in Connecticut. So yeah, we were pretty competitive when I was a junior and senior in high school.
That's awesome.
Mm.
And lastly, what do you like to do for fun?
I like hiking. That's my big thing. There's not too much hiking here, but previously I lived in Colorado and I did quite a bit of hiking. It's like hiking, camping, outdoorsy stuff, kayaking. Um, those are the main things I like to do outside of work.
Awesome. Well, thanks for talking to me. Bye, Mr. Sear.
See ya.
And what inspired me to become a counselor? I actually shadowed a school counselor and a school psychologist to see what my interests really lied in. And it was pretty interesting because during that time I realized that the school counselor had a lot more interaction with the students throughout the day. So I knew that was the right fit for me.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Whitefish Bay, Wisconsin. It's just north of Milwaukee. So I'm actually really close to the Madison area, and it's wonderful. It's right by the water, Lake Michigan.
What do you like to do for fun?
My hobbies include hanging out with my daughter, Emma, and we like to visit our family in Milwaukee, and I love watching movies.
What's your favorite thing to do at school?
My favorite subject in school was pretty much anything where I got to hang out with my friends. I wasn't like the math person or the athlete, so I really enjoyed things like reading and writing and being able to collaborate with my classmates.
Do you have a favorite object in your office?
An object that I have on my desk, it's actually at home because I was working from home, but it's a stone. It's like a worry stone. So you get to hold it and rub it. It's really soft and smooth, and it's something that helps if you're feeling anxious or worried or nervous.
Do you have a pet?
I do. I actually have a Newfoundland. It's a breed that weighs up to 150 pounds. So that's about the size of an adult human. And he's black and white, and he's like a big stuffed teddy bear, but instead he's real and he jumps on you, and he's taller than I am. His name is Jay.
Anything surprising about you?
Something surprising about me is probably when I started 3rd grade, I had pink hair because I dyed my hair with Kool-Aid over the summer and went into a pool with chlorine, and it slowly turned pink over the coming weeks. So I started 3rd grade with pink hair.
Do you have any advice for the year?
This school year, I think the most important thing is connecting with each other. So finding that time to call a friend, check in with somebody, maybe you even watch a movie together over Zoom so that you still get that connection, and really finding time to take care of yourself. So getting outside, talking to family members, playing games, doing activities that you love and enjoy, and still finding that joy and laughter throughout the year.
And now it's time for birthdays. Happy birthday to Henry, Declan, Kate, Jack, Peyton, Charlotte, Audia, Amog, Miles, Jason, Presley, Nathan, Veronica, Emmy, Geneva, and Amalia. Hope you have a great birthday.